Hi and hello, I am Athina Pondian here. In this video, I am going to say about what is biomedical engineering is. How we can able to frame the biomedical engineering definition by yourself. Once you know about the biomedical engineering exactly, then you can able to create your own definition of what is biomedical is about. Okay, come let me start. What is biomedical engineering? Biomedical engineering. See, we all know that bio in the sense the living organisms or the living things. All the living things in the world is considered as in the term called bio. So bio indicates the living organisms or living things. Okay, then come to the second word in the biomedical engineering is medical. So medical is a term that is coming under the healthcare technology or healthcare service. We can able to call any of the healthcare services or any of the healthcare technologies or any of the healthcare related whatever the thing it may be. You can indicate that the word as a medical. Okay, and then the third term in the biomedical engineering is engineering. So engineering is nothing but some of the concepts or applications or the principles you need to apply to any of the object or any of the persons or any of the areas. So all these are the term considered as biomedical engineering. So living organisms or living things, healthcare related, the concepts are the principles. All together it is called as the biomedical engineering. I will explain you in the next in other words. See, biomedical engineering, what they actually is about, all the equipment that is involved in the hospitals. Of course, we all know that there are so many equipments in the hospitals. Of course, everybody knows hospitals. There are different types of hospital is there. Whatever the hospital it may be. What is the purpose of the hospital? The purpose of the hospital is giving treatment to the patient. There are so many equipments available in the hospitals. Just like the basic equipment, everybody know that common people know the thermometer, sphygmomanometer, and then the pulse oximeter. All these, there are so many 15,000 biomedical equipments are there in the multi-speciality hospitals. Even small clinics. Even a small clinic have some of the basic equipment like what I said, thermometer, stethoscope, sphygmomanometer, blood glucose monitor, weighing scale, all these things. So all these kind of equipments that is available in the hospitals, okay, that particular equipments are manufactured by the engineer called the biomedical engineer. All the equipments in the hospitals are selling by the engineer called the biomedical engineer. All the equipments in the hospitals, whatever the equipments it may be, that particular equipment can able to servicing by or troubleshooting by the engineer called the biomedical engineer. Okay, this is the main role of the biomedical engineer. Whatever the equipment it may be, whether it may be a small basic stethoscope or thermometer to the major equipment like a CT scan, PET scan, SPECT scan, linear accelerator like that. All these are considered as the healthcare equipments. These kind of healthcare equipments are giving life to the people. That is why the term bio is. Okay. Medical is nothing but the healthcare related terminology in the biomedical engineering. In the medical, we are dealing with the equipment. That particular equipment is involving in the healthcare technology that is especially giving life to the people. So the life in the sense is indicating bio here. So if you want to manufacture that particular equipment, if you want to selling the particular equipment, if you want to troubleshooting the particular equipment, you need the concepts, principle, application and functionality, all these things. That will give the engineering. Okay, so we are the people, the biomedical engineers are the people giving life to the people. Okay, how we can able to give the life? Through the equipment. How we can able to manufacturing the equipment? Through the engineering concept. So this is the word biomedical engineering is called. Okay, I hope you understand. Okay, all the equipments used in the hospitals is manufactured, selling and servicing by the engineers called the biomedical engineering. I hope you are all understand. Thank you very much.